The Cameras dashboard is the first page that you will be brought to after logging into OnCloud. It can also be accessed by clicking on Cameras in OnCloud's navigation bar. The Cameras dashboard provides users with access to all camera devices attached to the OnCloud system, including deactivated camera devices until expiration of their retention period. Cameras within the list can be sorted by device name, location, area, and status. You can search for a specific camera by name using the search field and filter by location or area. Individual camera details and camera settings can also be accessed here via the menu icon for each camera. Clicking on a camera will bring you to the camera's viewing page. You can return to the camera's dashboard by clicking on Close. The camera's dashboard sidebar allows for the creation of new views or camera layouts via the New Views button and displays a list of existing views within the system. You can monitor existing views by clicking on the view name. To learn more about OnCloud, visit us at hanwhavisionamerica.com.